Today we're diving into the features of the Kohler K201100 Brevia Elongated Toilet Seat, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your bathroom. This innovative toilet seat comes with a quiet close lid that ensures a gentle and silent closure, eliminating any chance of slamming. Thanks to its grip-tight bumpers, the seat remains stable and secure, preventing any unwanted shifting during use. Designed for a proper fit, it seamlessly accommodates both one- and two-piece toilets, with color-matched plastic hinges for a cohesive look. Installation is a breeze with the quick-attach hardware, allowing you to set it up swiftly and securely. The elongated design fits most elongated toilets, making it a versatile choice for any home. For non-residential applications, Kohler recommends using models K-7671 or K20110 for optimal performance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.